Hello and welcome to He Said, She Said, Food for Thought. What are we doing, lady?
We are making a buffalo chicken dip.
Has it got buffalo in it?
I don't know why they call it that. Would you give us some rhetoric as to why you think that would be a reasoning for...
Because you're crazy Americans. I have no idea. Because if there's no buffalo in it, why would you call it buffalo?
Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and make this baked. Right now, all I'm going to do is poach the chicken because I want it to be cooked through. I have 2 chicken breasts that have been cleaned thoroughly. I've added chicken broth. We're going to let this go here for about 15 to 20 minutes, shred it, and then we're going to end up adding our buffalo wing sauce.
Is that especially for buffaloes?
I guess.
Okay,
But
cool.
they're chickens, so maybe they all get along. Not really sure.
Don't know, there's no such thing as a buffalo, only bison.
We're going to keep
Just
this...
saying, okay.
Right, okay, whatever. So we're going to keep this simple. I'm going to add some seasonings to it when it comes out. I've got blue cheese. If you don't like blue cheese, you can use cheddar. I love blue cheese. It'll have a little bit of the zing and the zang from the wing sauce. We'll be back.
All right.
Okay, so we poached the chicken. I went ahead and shredded it up. I actually used the food processor, but you could put this in cubes. I like to have it a little bit finer. I have half of a red onion that's diced, and I have some garlic that I've also chopped up here. I'm going to go ahead and just sort of render this, even though it's going to bake in the oven, so that the spices aren't too strong. These are 2 chicken breasts. I'm going to add some wing sauce into it.
Is it sauce with wings?
I don't know, Billy. I really, oops, I said, well, yeah, okay. I'm going to start over. Okay, you can see that I've sweat out the red onion and 1 clove of garlic. I've added some wing sauce here to our chicken.
Does that mean it's going to fly away again?
Bok bok. Anyway, I'm putting this in. I'm going to mix it, let it rest here for a minute, and continue with the recipe.
Why is it resting? Is it really tired?
I guess.
Okay. Okay, just for the record, the wife has stirred everything up together, and off camera we were just having a brief discussion because she said like it's a buffalo chicken wing, and I said I've never seen a buffalo, let alone seen a buffalo with a chicken wing on it. But there you go, there we have it. So now she's going to add the cream cheese.
Cream cheese, sharp cheddar, and we like blue cheese. I'm going to add it. You can omit it if you prefer. And then I'm going to bake it at 350 for about 20 to 25 minutes.
Hopefully not in this plastic container.
Ha ha! We are going to go ahead and add some ranch dip to this. You can use regular ranch dressing, but this is just going to give it a little bit more flavor. My husband's gone ahead and mixed this pretty thoroughly here for about 3 minutes. You could use a hand mixer, but we didn't bother. We just did it by hand. I'm going to add this and this, put it into a greased pan here, and throw it in the oven.
How long? What temperature?
25 minutes, I'm thinking, at 350.
You think you know you know.
I
You do know.
Stop.
Off to the fire pit we go to bake this puppy. Let's go, lady. And there she blows. Alright.
Check back with you.
Okay, here it is in all its glory. Look at that. Beautiful. So we're going to tuck into this with some crackers and stuff. What do you think, wife?
I do think I'd like to add, though, that we added it under the broiler for about 2 minutes just to brown the top, and it looks delicious.
Looks fabulous. Thanks for watching. He Said, She Said. Food for thought.